Hello guys, welcome to another video of V.I Tech Academy. As you are supporting the Gmail standard view series, so we are here with another interesting video of Gmail. Friends, in the last video we have shared that if you want to move any email to a particular label, how to do that and how to create the label, how to manage the label. Today I'll be showing you how we can create a filter or set a rule so that whenever the future emails will come from the same mail and the specific action which we will set will be done automatically by the Gmail. So in this video you will learn how to create Gmail filter and then how to set the rule. Actually the process is same means is a one process, but let us see how to do that. In one of our previous videos we discussed about I told about that I have received many emails from Adobe. They are promotional emails and there is some promotional content within it. Now I want to set a rule and I want to delete all of the emails which will come in the future from the same email address. So let's see how to do it. If you want to support us, you can give us thanks. The button of the thanks is showing at the below of this video. You can also join our channel. The join button is also showing below of the video and the very next to our channel name. If you join our channel as a premium member, you can get extra benefits. Without further delay, let's start today's episode. I have already opened my Gmail and here I will go to the settings. To go to settings, change your NVDA to browse mode and then go to top.
Out of table, none selected.
Press B until you find settings button.
Clickable banner, search mail, clickable support, clickable settings button.
Press enter. Now press tab once.
Close button.
Again.
See all settings button.
Yeah, you need to click here.
Tab control, general tab.
And there are general tab and some other tabs opened. Today we will do the filtration. So we need to go to filter tab. To go to filter tab, you can press right arrow here.
N.
Okay, right arrow is not working. Let me switch to the forms menu. Sorry, forms mode. Then press tab.
More labels button.
Tab.
Create new label button. More compose button.
Okay, I'm out of the settings window. So let me find the settings again.
Control themes tab, offline tab 10.
Yeah. So I'm in this here. So I just need to press tab. I'm pressing shift plus tab as my focus is gone.
Advanced add-ons, forward filters and blocked addresses tab 5
Yes,
of 11.
so filters and block addresses, which is the fifth tab of here are 11 tabs available. So this is the fifth tab. You need to just press tab and you will find this. Whenever you find this, press enter here.
Selected.
Now I am just pressing tab again.
Forwarding and add-ons tab, chat and me, advanced tab, offline tab, themes tab, main landmark, clickable list with 11 items, checkbox not checked.
So here I have already created some filters which I'm going to show you by using up arrow down arrow keys. See?
The checkbox not checked space.
So if you check this box checked, so you can select them and you can delete them. You can export the filter or you can import the filter to any other emails. So what is this import export options? I'll tell you later. Before that, let me see what are the filters available here.
No indent matches from.
See.
No delivery CL panel training today invitation. Delivery CL panel training today at images/df training bulk uploads international copy because you can updo this. Link edit link to do this. The link edit link delete. Okay, edit, you can edit the filter or you can delete the filter. You can just press tab and you will find the edit option. There you can edit the filter, or if you delete it, you can delete it.
Now if you want to create a filter, how you can create that? For that you can press down arrow.
Checkbox no and do this. Link at checkbox no and do this. Link edit link to select. Link button unavailable. Export button on link. Create a new filter. Link import filters.
So create a link, new filter and export. So I'm pressing tab here.
Create a new filter link.
So create a new filter link. You need to press enter here.
From edit blank.
Now you need to set up the rule, the same rule which we used in the advanced search in our early videos. So if you missed, please watch our previous Gmail standard view playlist, which is available on our channel, or I'll try to provide the link given in the video description below, so that you'll have the better idea. So here in the from edit box, I'm tapping the Adobe's email ID.
Mail.adobe from edit mail.adobe.
Now I'm pressing tab.
Edit blank.
So in the to edit box, I can type my email ID. So I'm tapping here. Now I'm pressing tab.
Subject edit blank.
So subject, any subject. I don't want to give any subject and things.
Includes the words edit blank.
Includes the words. So I have already told what is the importance of this.
Doesn't have edit blank. Size operator list collapsed sub menu. Greater than 1 of 1. Size value edit blank.
Size value. So I'm using 0.
Num lock on. 0. Size unit list collapsed sub menu. MB 1 of 1.
MB.
Expanded.
I'm
MB 2 bytes 2 bytes as attachment. Check don't test search button.
Okay, so you can do the test search if there is any emails and all.
Create filter link.
So you just need to click on create filter.
From edit create filter link.
So that the filter will be created. So I'm pressing enter here.
Blank. Banner landmark. Search landmark. Table from. Mail at mail.adobe.com and sub.
Now I'm pressing tab.
Skip the inbox. Archive it. Checkbox not checked.
Now it is asking.
Back to search options link.
It is asking what you want. Just press tab.
Skip the inbox. Archive it. Checkbox not checked.
So what Gmail will do if the email comes? What Gmail will do? So I want to delete the emails. Okay. So that's why what I do is it will delete all my old emails. I hope as well as the new emails. So if you want to do this, what you do, I'm pressing tab.
Mark as read checkbox not checked.
So always the emails will be marked as read.
Star checkbox not checked.
Star.
Apply the label checkbox not checked.
Apply the label. So yesterday, I mean in the last video, we discussed about the LinkedIn part, right? So if you want to create the filter and if you want to move your LinkedIn emails or any emails to particular level, you just need to check this box checked, followed by you will get the label combo edit box where you need to choose the label and then set up the filter. I hope you can do it. If you have any problems and questions, please comment down below. I'll try to solve the problems. Also, you can join our WhatsApp and Telegram groups, Telegram channels, WhatsApp channels. There we will also help you. Now I am pressing tab again.
List collapsed sub menu. Choose label.
See, choose label. As I'm not doing this, so I'm not choosing the label.
Add forwarding address button.
So if you add a forwarding address, so what happened? All the emails come from this email address will be automatically forwarded to that email address. So if you require, you can do this.
Delete a checkbox not checked.
So deleted. I'm checking this box checked.
Checked.
So that the mails will be deleted.
Never send it to spam checkbox
Never
not
send
checked.
it to spam. So even the mail is spam, but the email will not be sent to spam.
Always mark it as important checkbox
Always
not checked.
mark it as important. So for example, you are receiving emails from your office or some important email address. So you can customize the filters as per your needs.
Never mark it as important. Check categorize as checkbox not
categorize
checked.
as
collapsed
some
submenu.
categories.
Choose category 1 of 6.
You can add some categories here.
Also apply filter to 0 matching conversations. Checkbox not checked.
So also apply filter to 0 matching conversation. So you can check this box here.
Create filter button.
So if you press enter here, the filter will be created. So I'm pressing enter here.
Banner landmark. Search landmark. Table. Search mail combo box has autocomplete editable search. Advanced search options. Search mail.
Now I am coming out of this inbox, like not inbox, like I'm coming out of this settings window. To go to settings window. So I'm just going to the inbox and then coming back the settings again.
Out of click search clickable Google app Google account navigation land tab control filters and blocked
Yeah, see,
filters and blocked addresses
I
tab
came back
focus
to filters and block addresses again. Now I am just going to the browse mode and I'm pressing X.
main landmark clickable list with 12 items checkbox not checked.
Okay,
Not in a table matches from
Matches.
Delivery CL
See.
pan images training intern checkbox not match checkbox not checked space no indent matches from do this deleted matches from fantasy at delivery.mytem11.com to Ratulbasak official at do this
See.
link edit checkbox not no indent matches from mail at mail.adobe.
see, this is the filter which we just now set up. Now for example, you have this multiple filters and you want to use the same filters for another Gmail ID. What you do, select all using these checkboxes or whatever email filters you want, select it. What for example 1 or 2, let's say I'm selecting this last which we created.
Checkbox not checked.
Okay, then now I'm pressing tab
Edit delete link all link none link export button.
so I can export it. I'm pressing enter.
Save as dialog.
See,
File
now it is
name,
asking me
combo
to save.
box collapsed. Edit alt plus n selected mail filters.xml.
So you can enter the name and it will be an XML file and you can save it and you can download it.
Button.
Okay, then log into your another Gmail ID where you need to use the same filter. Okay, so log in that and come to this settings window and then filters and blocks, addresses tab, whatever we did, and then press tab and here you will find
Settings. Ratulbasak create a new export button. Delete button. None link. All link. Delete link. All export button.
so export we are only
Delete
giving
button.
like
Create
delete
a
button.
new filter link. Import filters link.
So import filters. So what you can do is press enter here and now see, let me go to
Main
the browse menu.
Import filters. Link cancel import. Link create a new filter link. Import filters link. Cancel import link.
Cancel import.
Choose file. No file
Choose
chosen
file.
button.
So press enter here.
Open dialog. File name. Combo box collapsed. Edit alt plus n blank.
Now here you need to choose that XML file. If I press tab here, listen the file format.
Files of type. Combo box all files. Star collapsed alt plus t.
Okay, all files are selected but XML is recommended. So upload that XML file and that field and click on this option.
Settings. Choose file. No file. All link. Cancel import. Import filters link.
Okay, import filters. So after choosing that, you might get some options like import now or import filter button or something like this. You might get. You should import it. If you do not get any options, or if you get any options here, you need to go to the bottom of the
Out of list app budget dot show.
bottom of the page and press shift plus B.
Clickable right side panel toggle button not pressed. Main landmark clickable list with 14 items unblock selected addresses button unavailable. Open file button unavailable. On right side panel.
Okay, here it
choose
is.
file. Delete export.
Not asking for the save, but in general tab and some other tabs, you definitely need to click on the save button to make the changes save. So this is how you can use filters and block addresses here, and you can create the filter and set the rule and Gmail will do it for you. I hope all of you know this, but in Gmail standard view it is a little bit different. So I hope you all learned a lot from this video. Please let me know in the comment section what you have learned from this video. Even if you know how to do this, please let me know into the comment section that thing also. If you first time visit this channel, subscribe to this channel to get more interesting and important tutorials like this for free. If you want to enhance your knowledge and get premium content from us, you can join our courses. For more details, you can visit our official website, which is given in the video description below, as well as channel about page. If you find this content useful, like the video and share the video. That's it guys for the day. Thank you for watching till the end. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.